Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this lecture we will discuss a very simple example about how can we make a simple pivot table. So first I will tell you about what is pivot table and what are the advantages of a pivot table. So here you can see I already made a pivot table for you. Basically pivot table will help you out to know the products or to know the data from a different angles. So for example, I made the data for you, and in this data we just want to know the orders and which country we just got the orders. So here you can see the countries from which we got the orders, and in Australia we got the orders 7, in Canada we got the order 14, and so on. And if just you want to know the categories which we offer, so basically we offer category fruits in Australia, and in Canada we offer fruits and vegetables, and in Germany we offer fruits. And in these categories what products we are offering, so in these categories we are offering in fruits we offering only banana, and in Canada we offering two categories, and in fruits we offering banana, and vegetables we offering carrots. And here you can see in Germany in fruits we offering oranges, and so on. In United States we offering fruits in category in banana, and in vegetable category we offering two products which is carrots and potato. And if you want to know the dates, so you will get the dates about banana, and we just placed the order on 1st November 2020. And if you want to know the data of United States, so you will get the data about in category fruits we just offering banana, and the place the order was on 1st August 2020. And in vegetables we offering carrot, and the order was placed on carrots on 1st June 2020. And in potato the order was placed on 1st November 2020. And if you want to get the amount, so you can also got the amount. This is how the pivot table works, and this is very helpful. So I just tell you how can we make a pivot table from a simple example. So I already made a simple example for you. So first you just need to put the data as per your own concern and regarding to your own products, which type of business you are doing. You just need to put the data, and after putting the data you just need to select the all box, and here you can see the insert function. You just go on insert function, and here you can see the option of pivot table. So you just need to click here, and here you can see the pivot table and pivot chart. So we will discuss pivot chart in our coming video. And so now today we will discuss a pivot table. So you just need to click here, and it will give the reference of our sheets in which our whole example is done. So you just need to click here OK, and you will get the pivot table. And now it will says you which type or the categories or the view in which you want to get the pivot table. So I just want to know the pivot table regarding to the country and the orders in the country. Now I just want to know the categories I am offering, and in the categories what are the products I am offering, and the dates on which the orders was placed, and the amount which was to be offered to the customers. This is how a pivot table works, and how you can make a pivot table by using a simple example. So this is all done. If you like our video, please share and subscribe, and share to so many people, so that we will also get the support of yours. Thank you so much for watching our video.